Ever wondered how ChatGPT knows what to say next? It's not magic, it's math. In this video, we'll break down large language models in a way that actually makes sense. A large language model, or LLM, is an AI trained on billions of words from books, websites, and articles. It learns patterns in language, like which words usually follow each other. Think of it as a super intelligent text predictor. When you ask it a question, it generates an answer one word at a time, using probability to pick the most likely next word. During training, the model reads massive amounts of text and learns relationships between words. It doesn't understand meaning like you do. It recognizes patterns. For example, it learns that Paris usually follows France. This pattern recognition happens through something called neural networks, billions of mathematical connections that strengthen when patterns repeat. LLMs are powerful because they've learned from such enormous datasets. They can write emails, code, stories, and answer questions because they've seen millions of examples. But remember, they're predicting text based on patterns, not truly thinking. They sometimes make mistakes or hallucinate facts that sound right but aren't. LLMs power ChatGPT, Claude, and countless AI tools transforming work and education. They're not perfect, but they're incredibly useful for brainstorming, learning, and productivity. Understanding how they work helps you use them effectively and think critically about AI's limitations and possibilities. If this clicked for you, smash that like button and subscribe for more AI concepts explained simply. Drop a comment. What AI topic should we explain next?